Here's how to resize any photo in Photoshop without losing any quality. Let's jump in. Click New File, then Custom. For the width, we're going to make it 2560 by 1440 pixels, which is YouTube's dimension size for their banner. Then click Create. Switch over to the tab of the image that you want to resize. Select it so it's highlighted, and click Command and C to copy the image. Head back over to your new file and click Command and V to paste your selection into the new image file. Now you may want to zoom out for this next part so you can see everything. But click on the image and then click Command and T to bring up the transform tool. While grabbing one of the corners, hold down Shift and Option to resize your image without losing any quality. As long as you hold down Shift and Option, you can resize the image by dragging the image by any one of the anchor points without losing any quality. Just remember to always hold down Shift and Option. Once satisfied, click Enter, and you're done.